Fun and Learn Smart. I'm Tanishka, and today we're going to try to find how to multiply numbers with 11. Let's start with something easy. 23 times 11. In order to solve this, let's try with a trick that I know. So we're going to drag the digits over here like this. And we're going to add a line in the middle. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to add these two. So we're going to add 2 plus 3. And 2 plus 3 is 5. That will give us 253, which is the answer. That's good. Now let's do it with something else. Let's do, what about 72 times 11? The same thing like we did last time. We add the digits over here. We add a line in the middle, and then we add 7 plus 2. And then we get 9. So now our answer is that we have 792. And it's correct. You might be thinking, whoa, this is a big number, but it's actually easy whenever you have this trick. So you don't have to keep on multiplying. Let's try with something really hard. Let's do 65 times 11. So we do the same thing. We just put 6 over here, 5 over here, and add a line in the middle. And then we just add again. And 6 plus 5 is 11. But wait, we can't add a 2-digit number in just one digit. We can't do that. So what we have to do is we add the ones digit where it's supposed to be. And then we get the other digit and add it up with the hundreds. And what's 1 plus 6? It's 7. So 6 is not our hundreds anymore. We get 7 as our hundreds, which will give us 715. You see right there? Let's do another one. Let's do 74 times 11. Okay. So we did the same exact thing. There we go. Now we'll have to add these two together and we'll get 11. And just like that, we'll add the one there. We'll add that hundreds over there to the 7, which will give us 8. And then we drag all of this with the 800s, which will give us 814. And this trick only works for 11s, so don't try this with every single multiples. Okay. Oh, and this trick does not just work for 2-digit numbers. It also works for 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, and maybe even 10-digit numbers. But the number has to be multiplied by 11 in order for this trick to work. Let me show you one. Let's try 132 times 11. So what we do here is that we split them just like normal and add the line. So we go with 1 plus 3, which is 4. And then we go to 3 plus 2, which is 5. So all we got to do is put these over here. 1,452, which is the answer. You see right there? That's how we do it. And this trick works for every number. Okay, let's do another one. What about 192 times 11? Okay, so we split the 1 and 2 over here and add a line. So now we gotta add 9 with 1, and we'll get 10. And 9 and 2, which will give us 11. So what we do over here is that first we put the 10, we'll add the 0 over here, and then we add the other digit. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And now we have the 0, which will go over here. And now we have 11. With this 11, we're going to add it with the 0. So what is 1 plus 0? That gives us 1. So now we have 1. And we have the extra 1 over here. And 2,112. Which is going to be our final answer.
Good job. You're completing the lesson. You are amazing. So, thank you for watching. And have fun and Learn Smart. If you have any questions, comment down below. And also, if you want, you can also stay tuned up for our next videos. Bye!